You want to work at home? You don't want to have to pay any money for your jobs, like no commute, no nothing. You want some options of different home jobs you can do and for free? Well, you've come to the right video because we're going to be going over a lot of cool places you could get home jobs working for Apple, Google, and a bunch of other companies. Now, I'm going to go over 4 jobs that you're going to have to apply for. You know, it doesn't cost any money, but you're going to have to apply for them. I'm going to go over 4 work at home jobs that you don't have to apply for and you can get started immediately. Okay, so the first 2 jobs are actually really cool. Apple and Google both have quite a few work at home jobs. They have a lot of home support positions. They also have a lot of home like programming and whatnot positions. But what you just want to search for is Apple work at home, Google work at home. And a lot of people don't know these are options, but they're out there. So check them out, people, and you might find something. We're going to discuss the next 2 companies, which are TopToll, Cybercoders, which are both companies you can work at home, but you have to apply for. So let's check these out and we'll move on to number 5, the ones you don't have to apply for. So TopToll is a place where you can be a freelancer. That's what it's called, usually a freelance programmer. So as you see, there's a couple different categories of jobs they have available for you here. They have developers and designers. So developers is programming. And again, what's great about programming, if you haven't gone on it, I mean, if you want to work at home, just learn programming. Don't, get your ego out of it. Don't tell me you're too stupid to learn programming or something. If you know English, you can know programming. Programming makes a lot more sense than English. And just go to w3schools.com, by the way, right here, okay? And you can learn programming in a matter of weeks. Everything. I'm talking everything. So take some time out of your day, go through W3 Schools. It's free education, and just go through the different sections. Just go through them. Go through them all, and you will be paid way more than you have ever imagined. You will never be broke again if you don't spend your money like a fool. So it's very easy to learn programming and you can get very good jobs. I'm not going to go on about that because people complain about how much money they're making. Frankly, it's retarded. Learn programming. You'll make more money. Okay, so designers. There's designers here if you want to do web design. If you know finance, you can get jobs for that. If you're a project manager, there are jobs for that. And you can work for great companies such as Airbnb, NetApp, and Zendesk. A lot of big tech companies actually don't have all their programmers in-house. A lot of big tech companies contract a lot of their programming work out to, development agencies like Cybercoders or TopToll. Now, as I said, Cybercoders is very similar to TopToll, although once again, it's focused even more on programming. But that being said, just learn it. If you want to make money, if you complain about money, you have no reason. Just spend some time or some of your free time that you use on social media on programming. It's much better. Okay, let's move onwards. So here are the work at home jobs, for those of you who skipped over here, that you don't have to apply for. Now, if you want to be a designer, if you know a little bit about design, you can work as a freelancer for a company called 99designs.com. They have a lot of positions available. A lot of people use them. I use 99 Designs. So a lot of entrepreneurs use 99 Designs to get designs. The next one is Amazon. This is called Amazon Mechanical Turk, okay? And you want to search it. You can see in the toolbar right here. It's mturk.com, and I should have some of these links in the description, or just Google it, type it in. But this is going to pay you literally the least amount of money. You won't be able to make a lot of money from this, but if you have zero skills whatsoever, and you're like brand new, and you're just kind of like, I want to make some money really easily, you can sign up to be a worker and do very simple surveys or tasks. You can sign up for Amazon Mechanical Turk to do what's called HITs, which are human intelligence tasks. And the reason they're called human intelligence tasks is they're literally just at the threshold where a computer can't do them accurately enough. It's literally like computers just can't do this yet. So it'll be like identifying images, like what is, identify where there are cats in this image, or can you tell if this person is, white or black, or different things like that. So here's one, market research survey, okay? And it pays a penny. So once again, as I said, you're not gonna make a lot of money doing this, but it is free to do. You get paid real money and anybody can do it, okay? So this pays, let's see this. So for 20-minute survey attempts, the average time spent is 13 minutes and pay is 26 cents. So you can make about 75 cents an hour just answering questions. So let's see what the questions are. Start survey. What is your gender? Okay, I got a penny. Confirm. What is your birth date? And I could just keep going on and I get more pennies. But the point is, you're not gonna become rich doing this, but it is very easy to do. The 7th work-at-home job you can do, which doesn't cost any fees, is being a Udemy teacher, okay? Now, there's always a demand for people to teach subjects, and teaching is moving online. So you can sign up on udemy.com to be a teacher. And if you are on Udemy right here, which it's this site, and you can just type it in to Google or something, whatever your favorite search engine is, and you scroll down to the very bottom and you will see Teach on Udemy, okay? Teach what you love. Udemy gives you the tools to create an online course. Udemy will get the traffic for you. Udemy will supply the customers. You just have to create online courses and film yourself teaching different subjects. So if you want to be a teacher, sign up there. Last but not least, we got A. Now, what does A stand for? Now, if you've been following this channel, let me give you a tip. The next word is M, okay? And that work-at-home job is, can you guess it? It's affiliate marketing, folks. It's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest growing industries in the world right now. Companies are tired of spending their money on advertising and marketing agencies that went to Harvard that don't understand anything about how to market products. And they'd rather work with marketers who can guarantee results. Now, I've built my business off of giving companies, I say they would pay me fixed amount of money, let's say $50 per customer, and I'd just give them customers. I'd get people buying their products. They didn't know how I advertised, they didn't know where I posted the links, but all they knew is that people who clicked on my links and they got customers, and that was all right with them. And you can make a lot of money as an affiliate marketing, especially if companies are paying you to get them customers and you're posting links on the internet for free. So you're not paying any money and you get money for free, and you can learn all of these tactics on my channel by just going to my uploads and check out all of my content around affiliate marketing. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell because I'm going over new tactics of affiliate marketing every single week. Now, if you want to go deeper and have me as your mentor, make sure to hit that Money Club sign because it's about $50 a month. You get access to talk to me 2 times a week. I'm affiliate multi-millionaire. You can talk to me 2 times a week, live streams, YouTube, and also you get a lot of extra video content and all that stuff. Woo! Let's get it. So tell me, what did you enjoy the most? In the comments, write down if you enjoyed the Apple Work at Home, Google Work at Home, Top Toll and Cyber Coders, 99 Designs. Which one was the most interesting? Mechanical Turk, etc. Teaching, affiliate marketing. Let me know. I'd love to hear what was the most interesting to you. I'll talk to you soon. Keep getting that money. Remember, take back control of your life. You use social media. Don't let social media use you. Build your brain, create your own income, quit your job, drop out of school, and let's make some freaking money, people. I look forward to seeing you on my channel and in the comments below. Talk to you soon.